guys, today our friends of Quiao sent us this 48 ampere electric vehicle charger. Let's unbox it and let me show you what comes inside. Inside the box, we're going to find this accessory for the cable management. You're going to be able to put your charging head right here and then the cable around it. That way your cable is just not everywhere or just on the floor. We are going to find our user's manual so that way we can help ourselves understand how to operate our electric vehicle charger. The mount for our electric vehicle charger. It also comes with screws and anchors for your installation. And finally, our elegant looking electric vehicle charger. It does have on the front a 4.3-inch screen and a cable long enough to be able to charge our car in our driveway or inside our garage. This electric vehicle charger comes with a plug head of J1772. Obviously, if you have a Tesla, it is also compatible with Teslas, but you just need to get an additional adapter to install it to charge your Tesla. But this is very universal for any US electric vehicle. The setup that I was provided, it is a 1450 NEMA connector. So how you're gonna figure this out is by this connector right here, which you can easily open the electric charger, disconnect this and then connect a proper plug or just hardwire it to your existing circuit and your charger is going to be working. So now let's get it installed so I can show you how this electric charger works. Okay guys, so the installation is very simple. All you're going to do is install your cable management accessory right here and also your electric charger bracket right here. Once you're finished installing those, all you're simply going to do is insert this on the bracket and you're going to plug this into your pre-wired outlet right there and your charger is ready to charge. Our electric vehicle charger is ready. We're going to use our Tesla adapter. So this is a J1772 to a Tesla. We're simply going to connect it, unwind our cable, and let's charge our Tesla. With this Quiao electric vehicle charger, now you can fast charge your car in your house and not spend any time elsewhere. I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.